Oh wow, it's really stunning view. Okay, welcome back to our clubhouse EP2 again with me again, Grace. Welcome again and again and again. Today I'm here our clubhouse on the second floor. I would like to show you about the layout and about the update what we're doing now. First, on the right side we will make for bathroom for take a shower and change dress after you take like a fitness and exercise finish. And if you see on the back side for the second floor, will be the mirror, and then you can see the mountain. Oh my god, it's big mountain view. Oh my god, it's really beautiful. This overall that you see is view our property, fully phase 8, and here fully phase 9. And after when you walk little, here on the right side will be fitness center around here. And this is the middle also you will see the big view. Over there you will see our property also actually foolish asset around here is big property. Every side when you see you will see the house. And here is Avarian Case, the new project for foolish assets. This one. Oh my god, fresh air. I would just want to show how it's gonna be because just some percent the company take care and we need to be careful about our safety, the convenience, and we need the client deserve the best thing. Yeah, you will deserve the best thing ever that you never had before. Thank you for watching.